Hello, this is New PC Sir, and I'm going to show you a little few things I know about the Windows key and Windows key shortcuts in, say, Windows 7 and Windows 8. The Windows key, if you don't know, it's this key right here between your Control and Alt keys. And obviously your keyboard is not like mine because this is a gaming keyboard, but typically you have these keys, not these keys, these are programmable keys for a gaming keyboard, and your number pad right here. And sometimes you might have focus, two Windows keys, one here, but typically it's found here. So with Windows key shortcuts, it's simple as pressing your Windows key and whichever number you have pin the program to your taskbar. So if this is, well, in this case it is, your fifth program tag to your taskbar, tongue twister there, you hit Windows key 5. And this will open, in this case, Excel, which is on my other monitor, but you get the idea. And so if I want to go multiple at once, I open 3 programs at once, just like that, 4, 5, and 6. Windows 4, Windows 5, Windows 6. That opens Access 2013, Excel 2013, which is on my other monitor, and Word 2013, which is right here. Which is a lot easier. You go click, 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 you can just go, and it opens it all at once. And there's also different instances where you can use your Windows key. Like Windows E opens Windows Explorer, and by default it goes to My Computer, or Windows 8 instance, this PC. Which is just them being all modern and fancy. Anyway, that's enough ranting. See, it's really handy. Almost too handy. And Windows P is your project in Windows 8 instances. Windows O. See, half the time I just like exploring. M is minimize. You can tell because it's on my other monitor. Windows B. Like, it's just, there's that. There's just a bunch of stuff that you can do. Oh yeah, Windows 8, Windows S is Windows Search. Windows A, and sometimes you just select stuff on your desktop, but essentially there's a lot of neat stuff you can do with a Windows key. And say if you have Skype open, well, that's a bad example. If you have, not that, I'm just really happy to do this video. If you do Excel, or no, if you do Excel, yeah, that's open around the monitor. You want another brand new Excel. Go Windows Shift 5, because that's my 5th program on my taskbar. Windows Shift opens a new instance of the Excel. Well, in this case it didn't because I already have a brand new instance of Excel. Anyway, you get the idea. Let's make a new blank document. That's crap. I want a new one. Okay, Windows Shift 6. There. That's crap. Another one. Okay, let's do it again. You get the idea. And they're all there. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. There. There's just a lot you can do with the Windows key, and I just encourage you to explore. I mean, if you don't know, Windows Tab as it goes through different windows, and in Windows 7 that'll be Windows Arrow. And I'm just clicking all over the place because I'm happy to do this video. I'm just so happy. It's not sarcasm, I swear, I'm just happy. Anyway, essentially you get the idea. And that's essentially it. As amazing as it is, it's very simple. There's not a lot to it, and there's just a lot of keyboard shortcuts that are hidden and that you wouldn't find unless you just explored or you're bored one day. Like, I'm not always bored at work, but there's some instances where I'm like, let's try this out. And I just hit a bunch of buttons and, oh cool, I can do this. I know my computer wasn't about to crash, that was just me doing stupid things. Like clicking too many buttons. Windows doesn't, well I guess this, if your Windows can handle it, as in your hardware specs, then you should be able to get away with it. Anyway, that's it for Windows key shortcuts. I'll be doing a lot more videos, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll hopefully help you out someday, save you a little bit of money. Thanks. Adios.